Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Paneer is one of my favorite ingredients and I've made several paneer recipes earlier. Today I'm going to share a wonderful restaurant style Afghani paneer recipe that everyone are absolutely going to love and enjoy. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 400 grams of fresh paneer and you can see I've cut into nice big pieces. So the first step is to marinate the paneer. First add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper. To this add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste, add a teaspoon of oil and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. So just mix everything together. Make sure all the paneer pieces are nicely coated. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. So next I'm going to make a masala paste, that's the base for the curry. To the pan add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 3 medium-sized onions, roughly sliced, 6 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger chopped, 3 green chilies cut up. Just saute the onions. Once the onions have become translucent, just add a pinch of salt and a few coriander leaves. You don't have to brown the onions, so you can just cook the onions for about 5 minutes on medium flame. So just when they are turning golden, you can turn off the stove. Transfer it to a plate and cool the ingredients completely. Transfer the cool ingredients to the mixer jar. Next to this, I am adding 2 tablespoons of curd. Grind everything to a nice fine paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl. Next to the paste, we are going to add a few spice powders. Starting with a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. So mix everything well. So just dilute it with a little bit of water. So this is the base for your gravy. So next I'm going to fry the marinated paneer. To the pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Gently place the paneer pieces. Gently start flipping the pieces. Make sure it's roasted on all sides. So you can see all the paneer pieces are roasted beautifully. Turn off the stove, remove the paneer pieces from the pan and keep it aside. To a wide kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this I am adding a few whole spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and about half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just roast the spices lightly. Keeping the flame on low, add the diluted masala puree. We need to cook this. So you can gradually increase the heat to a medium and continue to cook till all the raw smell goes. Close the kadai and cook this masala for about 10 minutes on medium-low flame. So after 10 minutes, let's check on the gravy. Wow, look at all that oil has separated and all that raw smell has gone. Gently drop in the roasted paneer pieces. Just mix it along with the gravy. So after adding the paneer pieces, I'm just going to add about half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add some crushed kasuri methi leaves. Just add a few chopped coriander leaves. Just gently mix everything. The Afghani paneer is almost ready. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes on low flame. Delicious Afghani paneer is ready to be served. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'll give you a couple of links to all the paneer dishes that I've made earlier. Do check them out. I can't wait to try this delicious Afghani Paneer. I've served it with some nice hot chapatis. Well, here you go. Simply delicious. Incredibly tasty. The paneer is so soft, it's absorbed all the flavors. It's so juicy and so yummy. One of the best paneer dishes I've had. It's a very simple and easy to make dish. You can serve it with any roti or even mild pulavs of your choice. Make sure to follow all the steps to get this perfectly. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.